Hello everyone, and welcome back to the FitDiet Nutrition Clinic. I'm Zoe, your guide to better health and wellness. Today we're focusing on the heart of Greek culture, family meals, and how you can prepare healthy, Mediterranean-inspired dinners even on the busiest nights. We'll go through 3 delicious recipes, and I'll share some tips to make healthy eating easier for your family. Let's get started! This baked fish recipe is a Mediterranean classic, light, healthy, and full of flavor. It's quick to make and uses simple ingredients that are staples in Greek kitchens. Plus, it's a great way to include more fish in your family's diet, which is important for heart health. You can save time by prepping the vegetables in advance. Chop and store them in the fridge for up to 2 days, so when it's time to cook, you can just assemble everything and pop it in the oven. This lentil salad is packed with protein, fiber, and Mediterranean flavors. It's refreshing, filling, and perfect as a side dish or main meal. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein, and this salad can be made ahead of time. Cook a large batch of lentils on the weekend and store them in the fridge. You can use them throughout the week in salads, soups, or as a side dish to save time and make healthy meals easier. Souvlaki is a beloved dish in Greece, and when paired with homemade tzatziki, it's both nutritious and satisfying. This recipe is great for family dinners, and you can even make extra to pack for lunch the next day. Marinate the chicken in the morning or the night before. When you're ready to cook, all you need to do is grill or bake the skewers, saving you valuable time on busy nights. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the importance of family meals. Sitting down together as a family isn't just about eating, it's about connection. Research shows that families who eat together tend to have healthier eating habits and stronger relationships. It's a chance to share stories, relax, and enjoy good food. Even with a busy schedule, try to make time for family meals as often as you can. They nourish both the body and the soul. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With these Mediterranean-inspired recipes and some simple meal prep tips, you can enjoy nutritious family meals even on the busiest nights. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious ideas and tips to make healthy eating easy. See you next time. Until then, stay healthy and happy.